Hi, in this video, we will see how to set request settings in API Tester mobile app. Okay, what do you mean by request settings? So before sending a request, so you can do some settings. So what kind of settings you can do? With the help of one example, we will see. Let's go to the app. Okay, so here I will use this URL. So first we'll try to create a get URL. So get, and let me paste this one. Okay, so so now the moment when you click on these three dots next to your get request, so previously we use rename, so we'll use the rename. So request settings. Okay, so request settings. Okay, so along with that, the moment when you click on these three dots, rename, export CURL, share link, and you have settings. This is all about we are talking about settings, the request settings. So the moment when you click on these settings, so you see that there are some options: timeout, follow redirects, verify SSL, something like that. So if you want to follow redirects, you can switch on or switch off. Okay, verify SSL, you can switch on, you can switch off. Okay, according to your requirement. So now I will show you with the help of this timeout. Okay, so now what I'll say, if my request is taking more than 5 seconds, then it should fail. Okay, so timeout I'm giving 5 seconds in the form of seconds. So my request should not take more than 5 seconds. Okay, that is my setting. So let me look into this. Okay, so now I need to set this delay option. Okay, this is query parameter, right? This is query parameter. So delay here, add parameter. So what is that? Delay. So I have given 6 seconds. Okay, so but my request should not take more than 5 seconds. That is the setting I have done. So now if you try to execute this, you observe the output. You see that the request timed out. The reason is I am having one setting called my request should not take more than 5 seconds. But I deliberately made my request delay 6 seconds, means it should execute means after 6 seconds. Okay, so because of that setting, what I'm getting, the request timed out. So whether it is working fine or not, let me change this to 5. Okay, and then you see that the moment when I say 5, the delay changed here in the query parameters also. Now you try to execute this. And observe the output. So again, it should not take more than that. So let me change that to 4 seconds. Okay, now you try to execute this time. I think this time it should pass. You see that? You're getting so much of data which is there, right? So I have a setting. What is that setting? My request should not take more than 5 seconds. Whenever I give the delay 6 seconds, so it is comparing with my this setting, timeout setting. So it should not take more than 5 seconds. So it is 6 seconds. It is failing. Timeout error I'm getting. When I change this to 4, means less than to my setting, then it is passing and I'm getting the response. So this is just an example that with the help of timeout option. So you have few more like follow redirects, verify SSL. So according to your requirement, you can use. Okay, I have taken this example and I shown you. But this is the section where you can use your settings for your request. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.